Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headphones have enough charge and are not actively connected to a call. Locate the digital crown and the noise control button on the right ear cup so you know where to press. Once done, disconnect from nearby devices via your phone's Bluetooth or control center to prevent automatic reconnection. This ensures the action you take affects the headphones directly rather than the paired device. Now perform the forced shutdown. Press and hold both the digital crown and the noise control button simultaneously for roughly 15 seconds. You do this because a long press overrides normal low-power behavior and forces the internal circuitry to terminate active connections. Make sure to watch the LED status light near the bottom of the ear cup. When you see the amber flash followed by white, release the buttons and the unit will complete the shutdown sequence. After releasing, confirm the AirPods Max are off by leaving them idle. Absence of the white LED and no Bluetooth presence on your device mean they're powered down. If they remain responsive, repeat the long press sequence or connect to a charger for a few minutes and try again because a very low battery can prevent shutdown. If problems persist, contact Apple support or an authorized service. They can run diagnostics and resolve hardware or firmware faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.